Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these stainless steel and tassel component earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach the tassel to the component, and we're going to do that by using a jump ring. So we're just going to find where the slit is in the jump ring, and we're going to put a pair of pliers on one side and a pair of pliers on the other side, and we're just going to gently twist that open. Once that's open, we're going to put the tassel on there, and then we're going to attach the stainless component, and then we're going to twist that jump ring back into place. Then we're going to take the ear wire and we're going to twist that open, and then we're going to string on the component and twist it back into place. And there you have it. We have tons of different stainless steel components on the website, as well as tassels. Those components come in a silver color as well as an 18 karat plated gold. So you can mix and match and create the earrings of your dreams. Thanks so much for watching.